all need boundless nature to reach true alignment with our Prakriti, our own original nature. To experience true rest. Rest is a state of utter stillness and blissfulness. This deep state of rest nourishes our body, mind, and energy, and instigates healing from the inside out. Have you ever taken a hike in the forest for about 30 minutes and noticed how your anxiety just suddenly slips away? Have you ever spent a night out of the city and the next morning notice how much more alive you feel? Trees and plants have prana. Rivers, oceans, lakes, and flowers have ojas. The sights and sounds of nature soothe and align our doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha. Soothe and align our organism back into balance.